Good morning, students. Yesterday we already discussing about locomotion and movement. Continue that chapter. It is today you are going to discuss something about is a muscle. 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 It is originated from the muscles are origin. The all muscles are origin from the muscles are origin from the mesoderm layer. Muscles are originated from the mesoderm layer. The study of muscle. The study of muscle. The study of muscle is known as myology. The study of muscle, it is known as myology. 40 to 50 percentage. 40 to 50 percentage. 40 to 50 percentage body weight. 40 to 50 percentage body weight it is contributed by the muscles. 40 to 50 percentage of body weight is contributed by the muscles. The muscles having different properties. The important properties exhibited by the muscles. What are the properties exhibited by the muscles? The important properties. Important properties exhibited by muscles. Important properties exhibited by muscles. What are the important properties exhibited by the muscles? The first important property of the muscle, the first important property, excitability. Excitability. The first important property, excitability. The second important property of the muscle, the second important property of the muscle, contractibility. Contractibility. The second important property of the muscle, contractibility. The third important property of the muscle, the third important property of the muscle, extensibility. Extensibility. The third important property of the muscle, extensibility. The fourth important property of the muscle, elasticity. 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 The four important properties exhibited by the muscles. The excitability. The excitability means the muscles receive any signals. The muscles receive any signals. The muscles receive any signals, they will respond. The muscles receive any signal means is nothing but stimuli. Is nothing but they will receive any stimuli. The stimuli means is example for the stimuli. Stimuli means is a cold, temperature, cold, temperature. So for example, cold, temperature. They will receive any stimuli. The muscles are respond at excitability. They will generate. They will produce signals. Contractibility, the self-contraction of the muscles. Self-contraction. The muscles are easily contraction. self-contraction, contractibility. Next, the extensibility. The muscles are easily stretchable. For example, the time of the yoga, the best example, the muscles are easily extensible. Easily extensible. And also, the muscles are elastic. They are original position. They are coming to the original position. Like for example, the best example for the dance. Some of the persons, they are doing different. They are participated into the different dance activities. The muscles are easily elastic, easily stretchable, easily their original and coming to the original position. That is the elasticity. What are the important properties exhibited in the muscles? Excitability, contractibility, extensibility, elasticity. The muscles are classified into different criteria. The muscles are classified into different criteria. Based on the muscles are classified into based on the location. First one, muscles are classified into classification of the muscles. Classification of the muscles. Classification of the muscles. The muscles are classified into different criteria based on the first classification. They are classified based on the location. Based on the location, muscles are classified into three types. Based on the appearance. Based on the appearance. The third important classification, based on the actions. Based on the actions. Based on the actions. First one, based on the location. Based on the location. What is the first classification? Based on the location. Based on the location. Muscles are classified into different criteria. The first criteria based on the location, based on the appearance, based on the actions. Based on the location, the muscles are classified into three types. Based on the location, the muscles are classified into three types. Muscles are classified into three types. The first type of muscle, it is known as a skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle. The second type of muscles, smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Muscles are classified into based on the location. The first muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle.